What are international money transfers?
The international money transfers let people send money from one country to another. These transactions are used for personal reasons, business payments, and supporting family abroad. The process relies on secure networks and specialized financial systems to ensure that funds safely reach their destination, even if the sender and receiver use different banks or currencies.
The role of banks and money transfer operators.
Banks and money transfer operators are the main channels for sending money across borders. Banks use systems like SWIFT to communicate with each other, while transfer services like Western Union have their own networks. These intermediaries securely move instructions and funds, checking the sender and receiver details before processing the transfer.
How money moves across borders?
When you send money internationally, the process begins with your bank or service provider debiting your account. Instructions travel through secure messaging networks, and correspondent banks may help move funds between countries. The receiving bank converts the amount to local currency if needed, so the recipient can access the money with ease.
Ensuring security and compliance.
Security and compliance are essential to international money transfers. Financial institutions verify sender and receiver identities to prevent fraud and money laundering. They also follow regulations set by governments and international bodies. Advanced encryption and monitoring systems keep personal and financial information safe throughout the transfer process.
Speed and costs of transfers.
Transfer times and fees vary depending on the provider, countries involved, and method used. Some transfers arrive within minutes using fast digital services, while others may take days if processed through banks. Fees are charged for currency exchange and service, which can differ widely, so it's helpful to compare options before sending money.